Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Ventura skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to begin this, we're going to draw in the surrounding eye area first. So we're going to draw in two big curves. So we're going to draw one coming down this way, and then real close to it, we're just going to draw another one going back up. Okay, this part's a little bit tricky, and then from here we're just gonna come down. Just kind of curve down on both sides, and then we're just gonna go curve straight across with a slight curve. Okay, and then after that we're gonna draw in a couple more layers. So in here we're gonna draw one more. Just kind of go all the way out. This side as well. And then now we can draw in the eye area. So this is gonna be a little bit rounder. So it's kind of like an egg shape, but it's gonna be a little bit sharper on this end here. Very tricky shape. Okay, so that's gonna be the eye area, and from here let's draw in her nose. So her nose is just right underneath here. So we're just gonna draw little curve like that. And then now for the mouth, we're gonna come down and just kind of draw one line across. And then the lower lip, we're gonna draw in one little line. And then on the upper lip, we can draw in a smaller line up there. And then we just kind of connect them. So we're gonna, from there, go to the corner. I'm gonna try to deal with the Sharpie, it's a little bit thick. Just connect that to the corner. Okay, so that's the lip, and let's finish up the face. So we're just gonna come down. Just kind of come down and stop around the mouth area, and then we're just gonna turn it in. Give it a nice sharp chin. Okay, so that's the face, and I know it's a little bit tricky. Female faces are always tricky to draw. Okay, so from here we're gonna draw in the rest of the head. So we're gonna come up here. Just gonna go up, leave a little bit of space, just come back down, and then from here we're just gonna draw a little bit of angle going up, and then we're gonna continue that. We're gonna come back down all the way to the middle, right between the eyes. Okay, and then from here now there's two more little details here. So we're gonna go out and just kind of come back in, and then you're gonna have to erase out that little line there. I can't do it with a Sharpie, but okay. So let's move on to body, and for her neck, just on the side here, we're just gonna come straight down. And then this part's a little bit tricky. We're gonna come out pretty far, and then here just come out slightly, and then we're gonna come here. We're gonna draw in actually some of the details first. Okay, and then here we have to draw in the little shoulder pad. So we're gonna slant down, and then from here we're just gonna draw in a line. It will be the same as that line. I know this is a little bit tricky. And then from here, let's draw in. So this is gonna be the armpit area. So we're gonna pinch in to the waist. So we're gonna come down here, armpit area, pinch down. We're gonna come out slightly, and then we're gonna just close it off for a belt. And let's just go ahead and finish up a belt. So we're just gonna come down with a slant, close it off, and then the belt buckle is easy, just two lines. And we can go ahead and add some detail here, just a little bit of curve. Okay, so from here we can draw in, let's draw in this shoulder pad area thing. So we're gonna come up from the corner here, just gonna curve all the way out, just curve down. And then we're gonna hook it up, just a little fin, and come all the way back down to the bottom here. And let's add in some details. We'll add in one curve here. And then on the top, we'll add in another curve, so just follow the line. And then lastly, just add in a little angle there. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the center part, which is a little bit tricky too. So right in the middle, we're gonna draw in a circle. And then inside, we're gonna draw a smaller circle. So we're just giving it some thickness here. And then there's gonna be a V. So the V, we just start here, just draw like a small V. And then just draw 2 more lines on the side. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in another line. So this line is gonna curve around the circle inside. So we're just curving around. And then we're gonna come straight down. And then here, I'm gonna draw a curve again around the circle. Then we're just gonna go out. And then this one's gonna go to the neck. So it's on the neck area, and then this one's just gonna go straight out. Okay, and we can add in, if we want to add in a little bit more detail to the line. So this one's easy, we just draw in, on the inside we just draw in another line matching that one that we've already drawn. And then we can draw one more here. So we're just following the line. Let's draw one here. Okay, and then for the chest area here, we're just gonna curve. Just kind of curve inward slightly. Just give a small little curve. Alright, so yeah, very tricky area to draw, and I almost forgot. She's got some detail on the neck here too. So just one line. So now let's draw in, finish up the bottom here a little bit before we draw the arms. So in the middle here, come down. Just make a little mark. And then from the corner, we're just gonna go slant down all the way to the bottom. Okay, so now let's draw the arms, and then we'll draw in the legs. So right here, here's the armpit area. Come down. So not too much muscle. So here's the elbow, and then here we're gonna slant out, and then we're gonna turn in a little bit early. We're gonna close this off because she's got some kind of padding here. So we're gonna extend this line out, and then we're gonna curve it back down, and then now we're just gonna go all the way down to the wrist. So this is just gonna pinch in, close that off, and then for the padding area right here on the corner, we're just gonna come down. And then we can add in, here's the one strap, and then here's another strap. And we can go ahead and add in some details. So she's got a little panel here. And then just on the detail here, just a couple of angles. Okay, and then on the hand, so here's the thumb. Come out. Line. Here's the back of the hand. Now we're just gonna draw the fingers, so we're gonna curve. We're just gonna curve it back up. Then I'm gonna draw one more here. Kind of come down as if there's another finger down there. And then she's got a little bit of detail here, so we just draw kind of like a little, almost like a half circle. And then lastly, just a little armband here. Okay, so let's draw the other arm, and the other arm is gonna be folded on the hip. So here's the shoulder coming down. Here's the armpit. We're gonna come down, slant down, just go out, come down, and then now we have to draw in the fist first. So we're gonna continue this line here, just come down slightly, draw in a little shape here, and then here's her thumb. And then now all we have to do is just kind of connect this. So from here, just curve, connect that. Here from the elbow, we're just gonna curve it down to the hand. All right, and then she's got another armband here, so this one's easy. Alright, so now let's finish up the legs. So we're gonna come down here. So here we're just gonna continue this curve. Come down, and then here from the middle here, curve. And then once you get down here, just go up, straight, slant, and then this is from these 2 points here, we'll just draw like a little U shape. So that's gonna be her knee patch. Okay, so then the other side is gonna be the same. So we're gonna come down, straight up, close it off, and then from these 2 points, just draw like a U shape. Okay, and then for her lower legs, so we're gonna come out, and then we're just gonna pinch it in, draw a little bit skinnier, close it off, dome shape, just come out more on this side, close it off, and then a little bit so. And then the other side is gonna be pretty much the same thing, so we're just gonna come out, curve it, and just pinch it in, close it, dome shape, close, and then a little bit so. And then now for the details on the boot, so we can start here in the middle, we can just draw a little line, and we're just gonna slant up. So line here, and then we're just gonna slant it up to the side. And then we can draw in, she's got a little bit of detail, we can draw in 2 lines, and then 1 curve going this way. Okay, and then for her thigh area, she's got some lines as well. So this one from here, just gonna slant out. So here, we're just gonna come out. And then we're gonna draw another line right on top. Just gonna slant it up. And then after that, we're just gonna give this line some thickness here, because it's like another band. Okay, and then we're gonna have to draw some more here. So start on the inside here, just gonna come straight across. Here, just go straight across. And then we're gonna draw 2 more here. So it's a lot of these little lines. Okay, so here, just keep going, 1 and 2. And that is it for this Ventura skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.